wind resistant. It's not that it's windproof, but it's just wind resistant. And if you're somebody who puffs outside a lot, then you understand that matches, when the match out, or well, I mean, butane lighter is going to defeat all of that, I guess, but this is pretty cool. So it's better than a big lighter or matches, especially outside. So I had, there's another one called a star lighter, STARR, very similar, but it's not. So Zippo lighter. Now for me, my first Zippo lighter got from Walmart. My first Zippo lighter got from Walmart. But the thing about Zippo lighter is you can't use it when you first get it. You can't use it when you first get it. I don't want that. You can't use it when you first get it. So that is something that deterred me from using it in the beginning. I didn't know how to use it. But eventually, I learned how to get Zippo fluid, and I learned where I could get it from, and so then I started to use it. After that, this was my second Zippo lighter, and it's really the custom Zippo lighter, and I ordered it from Zippo. It's just really the frame. It's really the frame. So it comes with insert, the standard insert, but I had ordered the insert for the cigar lighter. So with these, the wick, and there's a flint. I don't really know how to really do all that. I just know how to get it filled up. So, Joe was the only one talking. Do a little cigar education. Now see Joe and now what's fill it up, a little cigar education. And this is the first time I'm ever using this one. I haven't used this. I haven't used this insert before. Clearly, this lighter has been used. Clearly, the lighter has been used, but I have not used this insert. So this is the brand new insert.
You know, Kenny, they got that personality like, yeah, man, come on,
so,
and I knew Joe,
take this, pull it up, and then there's a hole right here.
Man, that was damn
There's a hole in the middle. The hole in the middle. So one thing you can take this whole thing and fill it that way, but I like to just leave it there.
He used to hang in there a lot.
And so you put the fluid in there. And you know it's full when it becomes, when you see the liquid starts to kind of overflow.
Right. And then that's
when you see the top part of, so as I do it now, I see the top part of the cotton being wet, so that's full. Now from here, and this part that has this lever is the part that goes close to the opening level. This part. So cool. Now,
keep playing, man. I gotta
jump move, goddamn shot.
That's it. Y'all be good, man. All right.
So now it works. So Zippo lighter is active. Zippo lighter is active. Now what we want to do is figure out which cigar we want to try first. Which cigar we want first. So I got some cedar wood.
Yeah, man. Yeah, that's been a
This time I don't have to use the big lighter.
It been right. It been right at.
So we go ahead and get my name tag on, Chief.
And look, me and Kim were talking tonight.
And then let's get the cup.
Kim talking about, relationship stuff, motherfucker. Kim talking about, I wasn't sure, I don't know no man, this and that. I just fucking, I said, you sure about that? And I said, you sure about that? Then I bought up that shit massage. And I hit wild. She was like, oh, that now and then. One time. Like, girl, you spared out.
Funny. Okay. So which one should we try first? Let's go try this pumpkin style. We're gonna start out with slight curve just here.